tournament. We'd like to felicitate him. Sir, Rajsagar Reddy garu, please come to the dais. Nestin, Naranjan, Kannan, Venkatraman, Sekar, Raju Tolani, Ajay Kare. They have won the maximum number of times of this FNCC. They have won maximum number of times this FNCC duplicate event. Duplicate event runners up Kotluri Sudhakar Rao garu, Bandyopadhyay, A.K. Sinha, A. Bhattacharya and Prashant. Third fourth undiga? Third unnadu. Winners. Wajid Ali Mohan Rao garu, Wajid Ali garu. MP pairs winners Srinivasan J and Sukri V. I request Dabashis Rai garu to give the prize and Sri Sudhakar Rao garu. Gupta S and Krishnan V. Director B. Gopal garu, Kagasuram garu. And I thank the management committee of FNCC. Every year, diligently, they are conducting this tournament and making it a grand success. Last but not the least, I would fail in my duty if I say that if I don't thank the staff of FNCC. They have put in all their efforts to make it a grand success. How much we might wish, if they wouldn't have done it so well, this would not have been a grand success. So I thank them profusely from my heart. Thank you all, sir. Thank you. Once again, I thank Ramanmurthy and Shekhar garu for conducting this tournament. Though Mr. Ramanmurthy is one of our members, but he is the person who has been following from the beginning and doing all the groundwork to make this a grand success. I thank them all. Yeah, I told you.
And along with me.
Oh.
Along with me. Along with me.
Right. So I thank the press who has been covering this tournament from the beginning and making the Hyderabadis know. Oh yeah, thank you all. One more prize is there. MP pair second, Sri Sandeep Tagral and Subhash Gupta. Please. Okay. Sri Satyanarayana garu of HCL, after repeated requests, she came to us, not only coming to our tournament, he played as a team member also. I request Sri Satyanarayana garu and I thank you very much.
I'm nothing in Abhimana last 10 years nunchi pilustaru. Okay, రాకపోతే I was feeling guilty every year because I couldn't make it. Okay, and చాలా thanks Andy for inviting, and it was a wonderful tournament and we had an excellent hospitality.
I request you and finally I thank you all the presidents of the Tamil Nadu Brigade Association and Karnataka State Brigade Association players. I especially thanks Srimati Varghese, Srihari Varghese and Bindya and all the, not only all the press, everybody gave so much cooperation for this tournament. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Prabhat sir, thank you very much for accepting your invitation. You came all the way from Mumbai. Thank you very much, sir.